1634 is with you, Weepu inbound 19.
Hey, Merrick 1634 Washington Tower 19, you cleared to land, your traffic's about to roll. How's the ride right there?
Fairly heavy rain, but a smooth ride, Merrick 1634.
Excellent, thank you.
Inside Weepu, it's clear, shot for the runway.
It's 4251, contact Potomac, you have a good day.
Flying 4251. What's your wind doing tonight?
Wind is calm. Brickyard 4758, contact Potomac departure, we'll see you.
Hello departure, have a great night, Brickyard 4758.
Brickyard 3681, 19, line up and wait, traffic 7 out.
19, line up wait, Brickyard 3681.
American 163, go ahead and commit to the right onto 15. Make the right at Sierra onto 15, and then we'll see if we have wingtip clearance, reference the Alaska in the block of 19.
Sierra, taxi onto 15, American 166.
Anchor on water ski maintenance, looking to get into block 15 for our run-up.
It is. It's slightly blocked, but yes, continue on November as able. November short of Sierra for me, 4238.
November short of Sierra, will enable water ski 4238. Hey, we're on Lima. I'd like to taxi water ski 4298.
Okay, everyone else stand by. I got to move 2 water skis near the block of 15. I need the water ski that's facing north.
Yeah, it's water ski maintenance.
Okay, and what do you need to do, my friend?
We need to do an engine run-up.
Okay, do this. You got someone at your 6 o'clock. Pull into the block of 15. Just pull up in that northwest corner. Beam the grass there. Pull in next to the grass. Do as you need.
All right, pull up to the grass, and we'll do it 42 or maintenance.
Yeah, we have no other option. Who is the water ski that's facing the fence down near spot Lima or Mike?
That's 4298.
There you are, 4298, and I'm sure you said it was you, right, that has the reroute ready?
Yes, ma'am, ready to taxi.
Thank you for your patience. 4298, use November Sierra short of 15.
Okay, November Sierra short of 15, water ski 4298. Inclusion 5183, person seated.
Outbound Embraer in the alley at the 145. He comes out, then you guys can go into your gate. Okay, I know that was stuffed on. 4415, give way to 145 coming out, and then you can go in.
Roger that, 4415, thanks. Blueshirt 5183, person seated in the back.
Now I have to move you. 4243. Can you guys make the left and then on November short of Sierra as able?
On November, short of Sierra, water ski 4243, left turn.
Hey, Ground Blue Street 5129, off your own Juliet.
Hey, 5129, I gotta find you. You're 5129. Where are you parking?
We were given 42, but we'll check with ops to verify.
Ooh, don't verify. It's open. Slide left now, join Kilo 2 it, and have a phenomenal day.
Kilo 2, you got it. Thank you so much.
I wish it was always that easy.
Push off 24.
American 1015 to push off 45, Lima.
Push at 3525.
Take care 4767. We're on Fox Hub Park, or crushing Juliet, parking at 27.
2727, it's occupied. If you could, make the hard left now, join Kilo facing north by that car, that truck. Off your left.
Kilo by the car, break care 4767.
Yeah, block that guy in. Well, don't block him in because he's moving, but you just slide left and you hold tight. Water ski 4298, 4298, cross 15. Let's see what Alaska's doing. Hold on.
25, gate 22, push, Lima.
And 20, gate 22, I see you. Embraer type is at 60 what?
6025.
6025, yes, you may push tail south.
Push tail south, Brickyard 6025.
Ramp, water ski 4269, 35 echo, push.
Who's on 12 AC?
At Brickyard 3681.
3681, yeah, you have room. Push tail south.
Push tail south, Brickyard 3681.
Break care 4767, I changed it to 31.
Also open. Let's see, so yes, 4767, go ahead and join Juliet to the gate.
Juliet to the gate, break care 4767.
All right, that was a couple at once. 4767, yes. Juliet to the gate, you have a good day.
4767.
50, Blue Streak 5053, you wanted the mic spot, right?
Yeah, we're trying to.
Yeah, it's open. There's an Embraer pushing off of it now, so I'll bring you up in a moment. 5053, 4757. You want a gate 38, which is open. Are you ready to move?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course you are, right? Yeah, join Juliet. Hold short of 22, 4757.
Who's there, Charlie 22, Wicked 4757.
What about Brickyard 3525?
3525 is now ready to leave.
Okay, excellent. 3525. Here comes an American off the right. Boom, there he is. Join Juliet. Hold short of 15.
Juliet short of 15 behind American 3525.
Water ski 4298, cross 15, and then join Juliet on the other side. Listen to the tower and have a good day.
Alright, cross one side here, join Juliet down, order 42.
Okay, that's after Alaska.
Thank you guys, bye.
American 1015 to push off 45, please.
Hey, Ground Cat 3711, clear around with Foxtrot going 16.
So connect
16, okay, and stay on Juliet till a beam it. You see the guy pushing there.
starting push.
Yeah, I'll see you 3711.
Brickyard 3681, if they would drop you a beam gate 10 so that we can park.
Beam gate 10, Brickyard 3681.
3711, you heard it. He'll be south of your gate. Once there's room, on and you go.
We got push 11.
Ground, water speed 4269, 35 echo, push.
And you're going to the O spot? That's who must have just pushed. Yeah, the alley, well, that whole area is blocked right now, and I'll have you come up in just a moment. 5401, both you and the other guy.
Ground Blue Streak 53, 67, 35, hotel ready to push.
It's actually, that whole area has been blocked. All those spots were blocked. They just now opened. There's one that just pushed off of it. So as soon as I can clear up this area, if I can send you a picture of what this looks like, I would.
I believe you.
Operation free.
American 2288. 2288, cross 15 on Juliet. You'll fall in behind the 145, and tower is 191. You have a good day.
Cross 15 Juliet, south behind 145 today. American 1015 to push off 45.
Brickyard 3492, 3492, join Kilo short of 15. I've got to bump you up.
Kilo short of 15, Brickyard 3492.
Water speed 42.
Ground Brickyard 6025.
6025, yeah.
Yeah, you cleared us to push, and they're concerned about the aircraft behind us. Is there any chance we could have that aircraft move?
Guard 4526 going to 43 Bravo.
All right, 43 Bravo, good, it's open. Juliet, for now, we'll have some transitions midfield.
All right, Juliet, Brickyard 4526.
Yeah, 6025, I'm going to move him in about, looks like 40 seconds.
Thank you.
4757.
Go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead and cross 22 on Juliet and come on this way.
4757.
Water ski 42.
Push off gate 24.
Ace. American 443, you guys are ready to move, yeah?
Alright, gate 24 to push.
Hi, 24, I know you're JetBlue. 1023?
1098.
Okay, good, you're a good one. 1098 goes spot 2.
Spot 2, just 1098.
American 443, now that they've all maneuvered. American 443, they're all going to scooch now. You guys can make the first left into the block of 19. Listen to the tower and have a great day.
Okay, 443.
Ground, what is key? 35, that's so push.
4526, hit me again with the gate.
It was AC 4251, ready to push off of gate 10.
Hi, AC, yes, you can push.
Clear to push off of 10, AC 4251.
Brickyard 4526, hit me again with the gate.
43 Bravo for Brickyard 4526.
Okay, that's right, yes. After you pass the company off the left, join the inner to it, and have a good day.
Alright, past company, we'll go left to the gate, Brickyard 4526.
7 Hotel Bush.
Brickyard 4757, same for you. You'll pass the company Embraer on the inner, then join the inner to the gate. It was, what one was it?
38.
38, have a good day.
American 1015, gate 45 push. 1015, gate 45 push. 2367, Spot Hotel, push.
All right, so we're about to get all of you guys out and forget this entrail. We're going to try to get as many of you out as we can. So Endeavor 5265, 5265, cross 15, taxi onto 15, taxi onto the number of the 15, 5026.
Alright, you want us to go all the way down, the numbers are 15. At this point, we need to go back to the gate. We gotta, actually, we need to hold. We might have to go back to gate. We need to talk with the company.
Okay, 5026, you guys let me know. And then behind him is also going back to the gate. Water ski will get you there in a minute.
Alright, so you just want us up to and on to the numbers of 15 for now, 5026.
Tower, runway 19, clear to land.
9 clear to land, thank you, that's all.
Water ski 4238, how's it looking, sir? You guys got a spot yet?
No spot yet, we're 4238, they're working.
0.7.
Copy that cross here at the runway 1533 and then ground point. I'm showing you ground point down the other side. RC 43.
Brickyard 3681, runway 19. You're clear for takeoff.
19, clear for takeoff, Brickyard 3681.
JetBlue 1098, runway 19, line up and wait, traffic 4 mile final.
Line up and wait, runway 19, JetBlue 1098.
Entered runway 19, 6,800 feet remaining.
Check the tower, Jazz 452 with you on the LDA Zulu 19.
There you are, Jazz 452, runway 19, you're cleared to land.
Clear to land, runway 19, Jazz 452.
Brickyard 3681, if you would fly fast, contact Potomac and have a good day.
Alright, over to Potomac, see ya.
JetBlue 1098, traffic's 2 out, 19, runway 19, you're clear for takeoff.
Runway clear for takeoff, JetBlue 1098.
Brickyard 4574, go ahead.
Hey, we gotta take care of something. Just moving over here in the block.
Okay, very good. Take care of it, call me back.
Delta's 19, 11, 87.
JetBlue 1098, contact Potomac departs. We'll see you.
Departure dip with 1098.
Brickyard 6025, 19, line up and wait, traffic 6 out.
1911, wait, Brickyard 6025.
American 1015, Washington Tower, good evening again. You'll be next. Hold short of runway 19.
Okay, we're going to pull up and hold short of 19er.
Five, 1845, with you.
2,000, 5,000. 17,000, Brickyard 625.